What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Hope y'all had a good day. I feel like it was a fairly easy day to trade. They faded us a little bit on our levels on SPY, but I also kind of gave you guys a hint in Keenan's Discord. Let's drop down to 5 minutes really quick. This was our initial area to short, or to take put, sorry. And I forget exactly what level. I want to say I said if we break 606, we're going to 605.40. So that's your indication that you close at 605.40. Hopefully you guys caught on. And then also you could just switch to calls there. Wow, something just like stung my eye. That was weird. What's up, Gigi? Ow. What's up, Jack? Other than that, like, they faded our levels pretty much. But whatever, it is what it is. For option trades today, we had D-Dog, which paid us like 3 times. So here's our open. Came up, broke above the level, came really close to our first trim, had a pullback, and then went up, hit our first trim, hit our second trim. Pulled back again, could have got back in, hit our first trim, pulled back again, and hit first and second trim. So not bad. Paid 3 times. If anybody did swing Lulu, that ended up working out. Hit all of our levels today. Or actually, even if you just got in today, I guess. Yeah. For tomorrow, I've got a couple nice setups for you guys. Oh, and just an FYI, I'm going kind of fast because Shorty's going to be live in about 45 minutes, so I need to crank through this. What's up, Kyatsu? I'm doing good, thank you. First one, I'm sure a lot of people will like this. IWM. Over 235 and 65 cents. Take calls. First trim 236.52. Second trim 237 and 12 cents. Third trim 237 and 72 cents. And then close at 238 and 60 cents. This will be a day trade. Next setup is MU. The only thing with this, hey, what's up, Triple G? I didn't check the open interest on this. I just kind of ran out of time. So you guys need to check that for yourself. I normally check before I post plays, but this one I specifically did not, so it might not be great. But just double check before you play this. I make sure the spreads aren't ridiculous. Wow, and they're already like pretty close to our level to enter calls, but over 108 and 80 cents. Grab calls. First trim 109.62. Close at 110 and 24 cents, and this will also be a day trade. Now we'll chart up SPY really quick. And sorry, I know I'm just kind of tearing through this, but I am feeling a little rushed. Some people asked me to look at XOM, so I want to try to do that. And then somebody mentioned Nike earnings, like, I think that's Jack, right? It was Jack. This is a pretty news heavy week. I know we have like FOMC on Thursday, right? And quad witching. I thought it was last week, but it's this week. Dun, 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 dun. Just an FYI, things are going to start getting ugly. As far as, I mean, it's already been pretty rough, like Thanksgiving, the week of Thanksgiving, and now coming into Christmas. Volume's pretty low. SPY's been pretty choppy. Kind of hard to catch good moves. Oh no, Oliver. Yeah, we need to get together, bro. Like, I don't. Now I'm trying to find your DM. What's up, Chef? How you doing, brother? You know what's crazy, Oliver? Like, when the first thing that popped in my head when I rolled out of bed this morning was, I hope Oliver gets a nice winning trade today. Yeah, that's rough. I don't know why you're suddenly taking these much bigger losses, but I guess if you were targeting, like $800, $900 profit, it's okay. But yeah, all of a sudden you're... Yeah, that's true. You are. I just feel like we're going backwards, and I'll explain like when we meet up with each other. But I think right now you've got mental stuff in. Okay, good. Because I think right now you're having mental barriers, and it's not trading barriers, if that makes sense. And you let me know if you agree with me or not. So I want to check the news really quick. This will affect the market before the open. Actually, all of this and this. So we're going to get fireworks an hour before the market open. After that, there's really not much going on that's going to affect anything. Hopefully tomorrow they give us this. This is where you want to grab calls. And then the norm, like trim. Personally, me, I would probably just close there, but you can trim. The reason I say that is there's just not very much meat on the bone between there and there. And I would just close into strength, but that's me. But you can do that, trim, trim. And then I would definitely just close here. But that's me. As far as taking puts, I would like to see them come up to here. Hopefully me saying in Keenan's Discord to target that, what was it? I don't remember, 605.40 help some people out. Should have been a nice, quick, easy, short. What's up, Slickamus? What's up, Nathan Crow? You need me to say it again, Slickamus, so you can turn your volume up? Slickamus. My man. What's up, Little Mind? Welcome back. Nice, thank you, Chef. Target here. And then it's just the same thing from the top. I would personally close here, but that's me. You can go there. I would definitely close here, but that's me. Okay. You're funny, bro. Awesome. Good to hear it, Trey. Let me load up my software really quick and we'll look at XOM. I have a little bit of time. If you guys have questions, like, now's the time to ask. Looking pretty straightforward on SPY. Hey, what's up, Theo? Oh, thank you, Trey. I just read your message. I appreciate that. I'm glad that you could make it for the live. It's awesome. So then, Oliver, if you're sick, why are you trading? That's the question. That is the question. Ugly. It's going lower. So I was messaged saying it sold off a lot. Coming up to a key support level. I don't think we're there yet. We're going to get a bounce here. And then it's going way lower. Right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, it's about to get wrecked. So I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. So this is my weekly bottom cloud, right? And right now we've come to it. And on some time frames, this is probably a bear flag, but we're probably going to bounce from here. Probably not too much to like right around 109, maybe a little bit higher. And then it's going to reject down, probably like 106-ish, 106.50, right around there. The reason I'm saying that is Elliott waves. It's always 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And 4 to 5 is always the biggest move. So like if we look back, I don't know, let me find one I can look back on. Let's see if we can find it here. Actually, let's just look at something else really quick. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So like this is a perfect example. So I told you guys 4 to 5 is always the biggest move. So if we zoom out, 1 is here, 2 is there, 3 is here, this is 4, and then this is that big straight move. And when I say it's the biggest move, it's not necessarily the biggest per se, but it's the cleanest. Like it's generally your low to your high is like pretty straight up versus like this where we went up, pulled back, 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 and then finally hit 3, right? So you can see from 2 to 3 took a long time, right? And it's like just choppy. 4 to 5 on Elliott waves is normally a nice clean move up. And generally it's going to be your biggest move. But the most important part is it's your cleanest move. So like when I share trades with you guys, I'm always looking for that 4 to 5 wave because I'm looking for a quick pop, right? Dude, Tesla is going to go. Sorry, I know I'm like getting completely off track here, but that's okay. Yeah, this is gonna be nutty. If you're looking, I don't know why I didn't look at this, but if you're looking for a setup on Tesla, I would say look for a pullback to about 451, 450-ish, and grab calls there. Should rock it. Let me just verify. I said 450, right? 451, 450. They might want a little bit lower. Let me see. Actually, they're probably coming to here. 35. Yeah. I would look for a pullback to here and be looking to grab calls. And then easy, like, if you take this would be an easy spot to close, like into strength, get out, take your money, run. If you want to be a little bit less greedy, this would be an even better place to close into strength. Good 15 points. So something worth watching for. So based on what I just explained to you guys, the Elliott waves, if we look at XOM, and then all of these are different time frames, but we have the third wave here, third wave, 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 third wave. This is the first, but this is going to be 1 year, 1 day candles. Third wave, and then fifth wave. So basically, based on all of these third waves at the bottom, it means they're going to give us a little pop, and then we're going to have that bigger, quicker move down, right? No, Chef, that would not be a day trade. I would get like a week out contracts. You guys are funny. I'm specifically looking at XOM, but oil stocks generally follow each other. But I wouldn't want to give like a blanket statement like all oil stocks, but definitely XOM. So I think, sorry, let me get back on track here. Yeah, they're probably going to pull back to right 109-ish, maybe a little bit higher, and then they're going to dump. And we'll probably come down to like 106. Let me just double check. Yeah, so this is support, but it's going to get wrecked. I'm going to... Well, no, I'll just leave it. This is probably the next area we're going to get a bounce right here. So I would expect something like this, right about to there, and then they're probably going to bounce, and they'll probably do something like this. Okay. Let's peek at Nike really quick. Is it NK? Yeah. If you guys hear me humming, I'm sorry. I have a song stuck in my head. Every Monday, my son has his band practice, and they were shredding today, and I've got the song stuck in my head now. Yeah. Nike looks pretty boring. Oh, this is earnings, right? Excuse me. Ugh. So they are getting wrecked even on good earnings. Like, wow. They're going to send it, I think. I would be targeting... Actually, let me get a box. I'd be targeting this. So why not? It doesn't require anything. I just use a watch list that is anything that's optionable that has an ATR greater than 2. Because I'm looking for stuff that's actually going to move. If it doesn't have an ATR greater than 2, it doesn't show up on this list, and I don't look at it. Unless people request it, then I'll look at it. D-Dog and Docu for swings? No, I wouldn't take them. Oh, wait. So D-Dog was the one that were target that like swinging up to here. Yeah, sure. But I don't. Did I give a level on Docu? You have to realize, yeah, these are good. When I do this, I don't. As soon as it hits like my sell levels, I'm done. Like I'm not waiting for this. I'm not gonna go back and look for it. So like when you ask me that, like it's like I basically forgot. Like I knew there was a couple of tickers where I said, hey, they're targeting up here if you want to swing trade them, but my headspace is not there, if that makes sense. Average true range is ATR. So average true range would be, 2 points. An ATR greater than 2 would be a ticker that moves 2 points at least per day. And then I have like, I have another watch list that's like ATR greater than 10. Yeah. So. All right. Yeah, so I think they're going to absolutely send. I think they're going to absolutely send Nike. I always kind of like, when I say this, it's not personal, but like, I always kind of laugh when people ask because this is a private indicator and it seems silly to me to teach it because you guys are not going to have access to it, basically, unless you like twist Shorty's arm and convince him to sell it to you or give it to you or give it to you. But basically, I don't know what the box is based off of, but you want the full send to trigger in the green zone or in the at the yellow line for like the highest probability to play out. If it triggers in the red, the probability of it playing out is lower. That's all it is. Alrighty. That's going to do it for me. Shorty will be live in about 20 minutes. Actually, really quickly, let me just look at what futures are doing. I don't think it's going to change what I'm seeing, but let me look at it just in case. Oh, ripping. Futures traders, NQ. Is that? Yeah. 412.17, 412.50 is probably a good short if we get back up there. Actually, maybe not. I don't like. Actually, yeah, it might be worth stabbing it. They just made a new lower low. So technically in a little downtrend here. Has anybody been using the fibs to the 50% retracement? I think this was it here. Yeah. So that would have been a nice short on NQ. I guess it's only 11 points. Alrighty. What's up, Robin Hood? All right, everybody. So, like I said, Shorty will be live in like 20 minutes, and I hope you all have a good day tomorrow trading. Hopefully, they give us some volatility and some volume. Oliver, if you're not feeling good, probably better if we don't meet up. But if you're feeling up to it, let me know. Just DM me and we'll get together. Yeah, Chase, the Lulu was nice. What's up, Fabian? No problem. No worries, bub me. What's up, David Ryan? Yeah, I'm gonna have a good evening. I'm gonna go chill. So as always, I know we touched on this a little bit yesterday, but really just appreciate the people in your life, appreciate the people around you, and make sure they know that they're appreciated. As always, I appreciate you guys. So much love to all of you. People that are subbed, thank you. Appreciate you. People that talk, really appreciate you. Friends of the stream, extra thank you to you guys. And if you're new, this might seem a little overwhelming, the stuff that I talk about or whatever, but the more that you show up and the more that you pay attention and learn, it'll start clicking and start making sense. And we really just give away all the sauce for free here. And hopefully help people become professional traders. That's the goal. Love you too, Stock Sauce. All right, everyone. Much love, much respect. Y'all have a good evening. Hope y'all kill it tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.